Hey, it's Noah here, and I found a new feature in Airtable. It's probably been around forever, but I didn't know about it. So we have the ability to add descriptions to both our tables and our fields. So take a look here. So this table has a little I next to it and just says what it actually is. And same thing with the field. So for example, if you go to this lead source, you're like, wait, what is lead source again? Hover over it, and it simply is how did they find you? And scope, oh yeah, what is scope again? Oh, what services do they want? So I thought it was a kind of just very simple way to define these a little bit better. And you might have seen in a previous video, I have some emojis now. So this first column here is the unique key. So I put a little key here. And then some of these other fields, you can see this one has a link. So this is linking to another table, and it's a table that shows a graph. And look, we have another table here that has the graph. So when we're linking to another table, I'm trying to show that as a link. Okay, there we go. Very easy to change to. Literally just click on the I and edit that for ones that don't have one. So company, for example, I don't need to give a description here, but I would say name of company if I wanted to. But I don't think I'd put a description in there. It's pretty self-evident. So hope you enjoy this and you start using it for your own Airtable bases. Thanks.